Before we harvest, I would like to share with you why doctors these days are advising people to eat mushrooms rather than red meat. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Olive Tumsabe Tugume and I am here at the farm of Mama Mchala Enterprises. Wow, we are about to harvest. You can see, as you can see, the beauties of mushrooms, how fresh they are. Doctors these days are advising people to eat mushrooms rather than red meat. Red meat has a lot of fats. That's why people are running away from meat and they prefer mushrooms. Why? Because mushrooms don't have fat in them, especially for those people who want to cut weight. Yeah, eat mushrooms and you see, after 1 month, you will have reduced weight. And another thing, the mushrooms, they add immunity, especially for the children, people who don't have appetite, they increase on their immunity. Another thing is that mushrooms have zinc in the body. And this is very important for all our healthy check. And another thing, mushrooms are cheap. You can find them anywhere. You can buy any grams, over kilograms. You don't need even to go to the supermarket. You can go to the markets, local markets, and you buy fresh mushrooms. You have your meal. You enjoy your meal. You eat healthy and live wealthy. I am earning money from mushroom business. Yeah, and I am earning this money from my comfort zone, like I'm at my home earning money using the space that I have at home. Out there might be some people who may be having their backyards and they have space at home. Why not grow mushrooms? And you start your earning money, daily money. I am advising anyone out there watching me, please, we train people how to grow mushrooms, and you may be having a space there, and you decided to start growing mushrooms. If you are not earning, you will eat healthy, getting from your farm at home. And we charge a small fee, which is only 350,000 to train you, and you start doing your farm. Another thing, you can use the small space. You, instead of buying from supermarkets or on the streets where they buy, you can always harvest from your backyard. As like you can grow vegetables. If you don't know how to grow mushrooms, you can come to our farm and we teach you how to cultivate mushrooms. We have moving gardens. These are the gardens that we sell. They're available at any time. You can come and have them at only 5,000 shillings. Another thing is that you can come and we train you. We train you. You feel free. As you can see, we are here in our growing house. This is part of the growing house. We have so many different growing houses, and we have, we can. You see how lovely it is. This is what you buy, the red day garden, movable garden, and then you go and start growing your mushrooms. Simple way and a cheaper way. There's no hassling in growing mushrooms. You can see all this. It's dark this side, but as you know, mushrooms like dark area, and yeah, you can see everywhere there is mushrooms, and we are going to enjoy harvesting. I love people, like when I am seeing people enjoying harvesting mushrooms. Come and get the red mushroom gardens. You come and we chat. You learn business. You see how healthy our gardens are. You see how our gardens are. This from one garden In this house, we have like 2,000 in this growing house. We have, in incubation, we have already like 2,000 already gardens that you can get and start your business, or you start growing them at your home. I want to give you a business idea. If you have been looking for a business and maybe you are saying, I don't have capital, big capital, I need a maker, come and start mushroom growing. It takes just a small space and you don't take years over how many months, but you harvest every day. It just takes 1 month to start harvesting. And this is when we have gone through the whole process. But when you come and buy the gardens, it will just take 2 weeks and you start harvesting. So come and get the gardens from us and you will find us here. We shall welcome you. We shall teach you how to start business, how to grow your business. All these skills, we train them at only 350,000. And we shall deliver your gardens. Even at your premises, we shall deliver them. At the farm, we sell these fresh mushrooms in kilograms. So if you want to buy mushrooms, come and we give you at only 12,000 per kilogram, Ugandan shillings. We also have dry mushrooms. We sell them in 300 grams, 100 grams, and you make a choice of what you want. We also have mushroom porridge. Yeah, that one, it's kawa. Yes, you come and we give you a variety of mushroom products. Now, if you are a mushroom farmer, if you've been growing mushrooms and maybe you sit there and you don't have someone to partner with, please come here at Mama Muchala Farm. We shall partner with, we shall advise one another on how to go about the market. We shall support each other because you can't work alone. You have to partner with other entrepreneurs. The farmers, we can get the market when we work together. When you walk alone, you can't move far. But when you move two, you can move far. We are located along Entebbe Road in Uganda, and our village is called Naziba. So, if you come along, please find us along Entebbe Road. That's where our farm is. And the telephone numbers are 0772 454 109. Another one is 256 plus 256 702 482 479. Yeah, friends, in the last episode, we showed you how we make the process of how to make these gardens. In other words, bags. See how this garden is fully colonized. You see all these gardens, they are ready for sale. Please, this is money. This is our stock. This is cash. Here, this is cash. This is cash. Please come and we talk. And we talk how you can start your business. Yeah, and start making money. You don't need to go through all this process. Yeah, we can do this one for you. Just visit. Just make one visit. Just make a choice that I'm going to grow mushrooms, and then you will see the benefit. We are in an incubation room. This is at Mama Muchala incubation room, where you can see these gardens, beautiful gardens, fully colonized. Yeah, ready to sell, ready to harvest money, ready to harvest the fresh mushrooms.
We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, hearts a little higher, lean into my shoulder.
This is mushroom growing. I'm in the farm. You're welcome. As you can see,
That's what my arms are for. We argue
My name's once again Oliver Tumusabe Tugume, Managing Director, Mama Muchala Enterprises Limited. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.